Have you ever felt like your expensive gadgets just don't last as long as they should? It's a frustrating feeling, and sometimes it's not an accident. It's part of a strategy called planned obsolescence, and it's a huge issue with today's electronics, from smartphones to even power tools. A great example of this is with Milwaukee power tool batteries. You'd expect a premium brand to build top-quality products, right? Well, it seems their battery packs might have a hidden flaw designed to make them wear out faster. A creator called Tool Scientist did a deep dive and found something pretty shocking. He discovered that these battery packs don't seem to balance their internal cells. Now, what does that mean? In a multi-cell battery, balancing ensures that all the cells charge and discharge evenly, which is crucial for the battery's health and lifespan. Without it, some cells get overworked while others don't, leading to a rapid decline in performance. To test this, he intentionally created an imbalance in a Milwaukee battery pack. He then monitored the pack's electronics, checked for signs of balancing activity, and even left it on a charger for 3 weeks. He also put it through multiple charge and discharge cycles. The result? The imbalance was still there. The conclusion was clear. The battery pack wasn't balancing its cells. So, why would a major company skip such an important feature? Well, one generous explanation is that they decided the extra cost wasn't worth it, thinking most packs would be fine without it. But a more cynical and, perhaps, more realistic view is that it's intentional. If your batteries die prematurely, you have to buy more, and that means more money for the company. This fits a pattern, as Milwaukee also makes it notoriously difficult for users to service their own tools and batteries. It's a classic case of a company potentially putting profits ahead of longevity and customer satisfaction. It forces us to question whether we're really getting the quality we pay for, or if we're just caught in a cycle of endless consumerism. It's a reminder to always be a savvy consumer and look deeper into the products we buy. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, be sure to like and subscribe for more content.